Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to earn money from link shortener. So I'm going to tell you some website names where you can use and earn money. Okay, so these are some websites name. These websites pay you high money as a link shortener if you work in it. Okay, or in my previous video I'm going to tell you 5 websites name where you can use for a link shortener. So you can see my previous video, and I also give you the link in description and also give a link in my I button, so you can just see that video for website, for knowing the website names where you can use for link shorteners. So these are the some websites which you can use and earn money as a link shortener. Okay, so if you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching this video.